Hello everyone, welcome to Southern Delight. Myself, MayadeviReddy. Today we are going to prepare evening breakfast, and that is snacks. That is, I am preparing from this refined flour, that is maida. One bowl refined flour, then one bowl ghee. This is kalonji, Nigeria seeds, and salt to taste. First, I am sieving it so that if any insect is there, it will be removed. So it is pure. Clean it is. I'll make hollow like this. Kalonji, that is Nigeria seed, which is very good for health. Salt to taste. Mix. It is optional. You can use refined oil or filtered oil. It depends upon you. But preheat it, cool it, and then or slight warm also you can add the oil. Yeah, guys, from where you are watching, let me know the city, the place. I am from India, and this is also a Holi special. Holi is coming. Holi special. I'll also make gujia. Now adding ghee to make it soft. Children also love it. If it is too soft, even the old person can also chew it. Or nicely we have to mash. I am accumulating it nicely. See, evenly it should be mashed properly. It should be mixed up with ghee properly. Then only the Saloni will be perfect. See, like this, the ball should come. Means that is nicely the ghee is evenly spread in refined flour. You can make Saloni or you can make mathri, and also along with kalonji you can add cumin seed. It's optional. or you can add kasuri methi, that is fenugreek leaves. I am doing it properly. See, the color also changed, white to this also, like this, like laddu madhullika. I am laughing because I am using my Telugu word also. See, like it should be like this. Then only it will become soft, tasty, crispy. Now I will put water. Little by little, because it is flour, so it will get soon sticky. It is an exercise for our hands and fingers. Do you know? When we need this flour, it becomes an exercise for our fingers. That is a yoga exercise. All the tips get energized. If you don't know, add this for further in future, and those who are watching also, they will also come to know this precious tip which is good for health. Everyone avoids, Arey, who will do this? This is all boring, but it's not boring. Everyone who likes cooking will love needling this. Nowadays machine is also available, but it is good while preparing with hands. Like this it should be, not to this thing. So guys, what are the uses of nigella? Do you know? Write in the comment box. I will let you know at the end of my this recipe, because it's each and every steps, like why refined oil is used, why not wheat, no? Then why rock salt is used, not the iodized salt, why I am adding ghee, not the refined oil. This the benefit I will let you know at the end, and many more tips are there. So watch till end, don't skip it, otherwise you will miss the very precious tip for making this Saloni or this thing. See, like this. Now I will keep this for half an hour in a moist cloth. Afterwards, we'll cut or we'll make a biscuit also, and then we'll go for deep fry. Now we'll make first puri to cut into Saloni. And then we'll cut into small diagonal shape, or whatever you want, you can cut it like this. I am using this cutter. first long, and if you want you can cut into square also. So it depends upon you whether longitudinal or diamond shape. Diamond shape looks beautiful. See. Then we'll put in hot oil and fry it. Likewise, with all this, we'll make diamond shape. I have also told you about matri. है ना? Matri is round shape. We can roll it with a roller pin, or you can just make with hands also. But the thickness is for that matri is thick, not for biscuit. You can keep it like this, the thickness. Oil is hot. I'll check it now. Perfect. Slowly we have to put it into the oil. Automatically it will get separated. No need to put spatula often and often. See how it is getting separated. Look how nice, lovely, popping like that. Beautiful. See, I haven't even put this thing spatula. It is automatically. See, I haven't put. Automatically it is coming up and separating itself. So no need to put spatula. When it is golden brown, I will take it out. But let it come up fully. See how nice. Like this only it should come. Separated. But when it is raw, it is like this. It is looking. Oh my God, we'll think that it will come separate or not, but it is coming. Here is a look. Have a look. Lovely small diamond shape evening snack. You can have with coffee or tea. Likewise with batches I will fry it and take it out. And the golden brown, it depends upon you whether too golden brown you want or even light. This will also do. But I'll wait for 1-2 minutes. How you have liked this, kindly let me know. You can comment me and ask me how I have prepared once more. Do like, rate, share it and give a small heart. It inspires me a lot to make more and more new snacks for you. Now in the coming video you will get rice vada. That is a unique special vada. Never before you have eaten. So I am taking it out. Now it is golden brown. See. Drain the oil and put it in the jar. Lovely brown. The flame should not be high, otherwise it won't get crispy. Soon it will heat and the inner side it will not be cooked properly. So how nice it is. Lovely. Enjoy it. Now show you this. See how soft it is. Lovely. One more this thing. Nice. Try. One. Soft